we don't know. It is a secret agreement. We don't know anything about it. There is no documentation. There is no record. There is no. We were not briefed when I came into office. Walang nagsabi sa amin na merong ganung usapan. So we were trying to really up to now, because from the former administration, iba-ibang sagot eh. Sabi ng isang opisyal na dating government official under the previous administration, there's no such agreement. Sabi naman ng isa, no, there is, and we should honor it. Sabi naman ng iba, maganda yan. Sabi ng iba, hindi maganda yan. Hindi pa namin alam kung ano ba talaga yung agreement na yan. But, kung ay ang sinasabi sa agreement na yan na kailangan tayong permiso sa ibang bansa para gumalaw sa ating sariling teritoryo, ay mahirap siguro